What is a noun? What is a noun?
Noun
Noun is a
Noun
name
is a
of
name
a place or animal, place or a thing.
Noun is a name of a place, person, animal, or a thing. Okay. So, how many types of nouns we have studied?
Five types of noun.
Agna, please tell me the 5 types of noun.
Proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun,
Collective.
collective noun.
Yes. So, everybody repeat the 5 types of noun. Proper, common,
Proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun.
Okay. Now, quickly take your rough book and be ready. Now, for every class, you have to be ready with your rough book. Okay? Rough book.
Ma'am, revision.
Yes, revision. Okay. So what is a proper noun? Who will tell me? I want one person to tell, not everyone. What is a proper noun? Siddharth, tell me what is a proper noun?
A proper noun is a name of a particular person, animal, or a thing.
Or a place. Very good, Siddharth. So everyone now, a proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, animal, or a thing. Remember that proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now you all will have your written exam, yes or no? So in that,
Yes,
whenever you write proper noun, you will write with the capital letter, or else I will deduct your marks, okay? Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you some examples of proper noun. Amaya, Abel, Bandhan, Abhinav, Devnanda. These are the names of person, particular names of person. Places, Dr. Raju Davis International School, Mala, Trishur, Apollo Hospital. These are the places. Animals, Snuffy, Tommy, Zooey. These are the animals. Things, Oppo, Vivo, Apsara, Reynolds. These are the things. Understood now? Okay. So these are the particular names of person, place, animals, and things. But there are names of planets, which are proper nouns. Yes or no? Names of days, 7 days of a week. Proper noun. 12 months of a year, proper noun. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ready?
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Write revision noun, today's date.
Ma'am, we cannot see the board.
I did not share the board.
Ma'am.
I did not share the board. Just a minute, I'm getting it ready. Till the time you write revision nouns, topic. Now you all can see the board, right? I give you all 5 minutes to answer these questions.
Ma'am, we want to write the question.
Yes, you need to write the question. Then how will you understand which is the question? And you will take...
Ma'am, what we want to do this?
You have to answer the following questions with the proper nouns. That's it. You'll write the question and answer. You take the screenshot also so that you can use it later if you do not complete.
Ma'am, you want to answer the following question with the proper noun?
Yes.
Ma'am, we want to write question.
Yes, you have to write questions.
Ma'am, we want to write questions.
Yes, you need to write questions. There are some kids who are always joining the class very late.
Ma'am, we have to write the answer in full sentence or
No,
one
no,
word?
one word.
Okay, ma'am.
Even in the exam, you will write the answers in one word, okay?
Ma'am, in the second question, name the 8 planets. Should we write all the planets' names?
Yes, all the 8 planets.
Ma'am, in first question, we want to write our name.
What is the question?
What is your name?
So you write that answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we want to write the 8 planets in the order.
No need.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, I
Completing
give.
third question.
Okay. Who is murmuring? Yes.
Ma'am, in the fifth one, name the 12 months of the year. In that, we should put the question mark, right?
No, because see, the question is name. Actually, even name the 8 planets, there is no need of a question mark.
Okay, ma'am.
It should be a full stop, okay?
Ma'am, which book?
Who is asking this question?
Ma'am, I joined now only, that's why.
Arav, okay. Arav, you have to write in the rough book. Arav, you do one thing, you take the screenshot now first. Because now we'll stop doing this so that you can write it later on, okay? Take a screenshot. Okay, till that time you're writing, I will solve the questions, okay? So that I can give you all time. What is your name? So you all will have to write your name. So I'm writing my name. Anna Grace, tell me the 8 planets.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
What is the name? Or have a holiday.
On which day you all have holiday? Abhinav?
Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday. Sunday.
Amaya, when is the Christmas celebrated?
25th. December 20. December 25th.
Okay. Name 12 months. Daros?
January.
It's not January, it's January.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Shifna, are you writing this? Okay. I give you all 2 minutes to complete this, okay? Or else you can take the screenshot also if you're slow in writing.
Ma'am, finish.
Very good. Please make sure that your spellings of planets, months are all correct, okay?
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, finish.
Good. So I'm
Ma'am, finished.
good. Okay. Now, what is a common noun? Common noun is a name of a, yes, Andrea?
Common noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing that is in common.
Very good. That is in common. Or very good, Andrea. Okay, I will request everyone to switch on your cameras, okay? So common noun examples are boy, girl, table, chair. Yes or no? Cat, dog, elephant, mobile phone, books. Okay, now what is an abstract noun? What is an abstract noun? Yes, Siddharth?
Abstract noun is a feeling of a person.
Yes, abstract noun. Abstract noun is a feeling, an emotion. Okay. So, examples here, the soldiers were rewarded for bravery. The soldier, bravery. Okay. The elephant has great strength.
Great.
No?
Strength.
Strength. Yes, strength. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Cleanliness and
Cleanliness and godliness.
Okay, so you all know what is now abstract noun. Now, material noun. What is material noun? Yes, Anna?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Wait, Anna Grace has raised the hand, okay?
It is about a material.
About a material from which the thing is made, a final product is made. Okay. So examples of materials are steel, wood, plastic,
Copper,
gold, silver, diamond. Yes, on a silk, cotton. The chair is, this is a wooden chair. So which is the material noun?
wooden.
The bottle is made of plastic.
Plastic.
The silver bracelet looks very beautiful.
Silver.
Very good. What is, okay, what is a collective noun? Gauri, will you tell now?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
The name of collection of person or taken together is called collective noun.
Person, animal, or thing taken together. A group of person, animal, or thing of its same kind together. Okay. Now you all have to write. I give you all 5 minutes to complete. Take the screenshot first. If you're slow in writing. Yes, Rabbu, continue.
Ma'am, you can screenshot and write.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can screenshot and write.
Yes, you can take the screenshot and write.
Ma'am, the first one is fill in the blanks with appropriate
Collective nouns. Yes.
Appropriate. The word is appropriate, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, in
appropriate means
which book?
proper. Rough book, continue writing.
Ma'am, you want to write this?
Yes, we have to write this.
Rough book?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is eighth one?
Able, please don't. A dash of ships. I forgot to write ships, so that's why I mentioned ship. Okay, later on.
Ma'am, what is eighth one?
A dash of ships, SHIPS.
നല്ല place. അല്ലേ നല്ല place. ഇവിടെ പിടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് മതിയോ?
Who is talking in Malayalam? Naila?
Ma'am,
You?
Naila. Ma'am, completed.
Okay, still some are writing, so we will wait. Okay, now we'll solve the answer. A dash of lions. What is the answer? Yes, Irene?
Pride.
Pride. A dash of elephants.
Herd.
Good. A dash of thieves.
Gang.
A dash of grapes.
Bunch.
Bunch.
A dash of stars. A dash of stars.
Doll.
No.
Clutcher.
Clusters. Clusters.
Clusters.
A dash of players.
Group
A
of
team
players.
of players.
Team of players.
A dash of shape. Flock. A dash of ships.
Flock.
Fleet.
Flock.
Okay.
Fleet.
Okay. A dash of musicians.
Group.
Band of musicians.
Band.
A dash of bees. A swarm of bees. Okay.
Swarm of bees.
Please check your answers.
Ma'am, I righted. I am righted.
Righted, there is no word, Advait. Ma'am, I wrote.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Very good. Those have written, take the screenshot also.
Ma'am, I done.
Very good.
Finish, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Give me a minute. Let me take down your attendance. If the cameras are off, I'll mark you absent.
Ma'am, I just took a screenshot.
Okay. Okay. So who is ready with the seminar today?
I'm able.
Able, start, Able.
Ma'am, I can do seminar in the next class.
Siddharth, you have finished your seminar, right?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth, you have done long back.
Ma'am, one time I did not do the parts of sentence.
What's your name?
Ma'am, Advait.
Advait, but you did the seminar?
Yes, but I do not did the
I did
parts
not
of
do.
sentence.
That's okay. Once you have to do, that's enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Next time, when we start the next time, then you can do the next time. Able, what happened, Able?
Ma'am, some disturbance.
Who's unmute? Andrea? Able, please respond. Is Able there? Yes, Able there. Able, Dixon. Able, what happened? Please tell.
Ma'am, his video is off and he is muted.
Yes.
Ma'am, he has some network issue.
Able.
He sent me the message.
Shifna left the class, right?
Ma'am, I think he don't know to share the screen.
No, he has joined once again with another device.
He shared one time.
Yashika is remaining. Then today, yes. Dia is remaining. Dia's mother told me she'll perform later on. Shabri's mother told he'll perform later on. Raika is remaining.
Ma'am, we can't see the Abel Jackson screen.
He's sharing.
I can't see. It's
Wait,
white.
Advait, wait, he's sharing. Abel, now you turn the camera. Turn the mobile phone. Why did you stop? You were doing good, Abel. What? I think, Abel, you're facing network issues. Abel, you do one thing, you should share it in the next class, okay? Next class, Tuesday, you all have to join before time. We'll be practicing reading comprehension, okay? That's a new topic for you all. So please join before time, Tuesday, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.